All right, we are getting ready to pull up at bike night. First one in 2 months, at least 2 months, maybe a little more. Bike was in the shop to get a new starter and have the front valve cover gasket replaced because it had a little bit of seepage. I figured if it's going in for the starter, might as well do the valve cover. Special thanks to V1 Moto for knocking it out for me. Great guys over there. That full moon, it's not a full moon, but it's a very bright moon. It keeps on getting my attention. No, 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 no. Oh, the wreckers are here. Why are the wreckers sitting out here? Because there's usually popo around whenever you see wreckers. We're meeting Rob here tonight. Tank's staying home. Scotty's out of town. Like always, international playboy Scotty. Knuckles could be here. Feels good to be on the Duck again. Been riding it for the past few days. Had a flat tire the day after I got it back. On the front, rode it for 23 miles with the front tire losing air. But made it home before it went completely flat. Bike handled okay until I got into the neighborhood, and then it was hard to turn. It was hard for it to turn, to be expected. So it rained also whenever I picked up the bike, like usual. It's always something, you know, like if the bike is not in the shop, then it's raining on me, or I'm getting flat tires, or just whatever. It's just frickin' bike life. For me anyway. Other people don't have as many issues as I do, but it is what it is. So if y'all would like to help out the goat, I've had to restart my channel to put it on to Crash Disc Goat 2 because YouTube shadow banned my main channel, and if I put any riding videos on my main channel, then they start doing wacky things to my channel, like removing my subscribers and cutting off my views and stuff. But the new channel seems to be growing pretty decently. Where's Rob? Where's Rob? Man, there's a lot of people. Lots of people. Lots of people. Man, this is a lot of people. Just gonna turn around. Got his lunch box. Never know when you might get hungry. It's good to have a lunch box. Just trying to find my buddy in this sea of people. I just passed that. Did I pass that dude out there? I don't know. What's up? Maybe we'll just go right over here. There's a Ducati SP right there. Pretty sweet. Rob said he was going to be here at 8, and it is almost 9. That's Tito's bike right there. The host of this meet. That thing is probably the cleanest Gixxer ever. I wouldn't mind having one of those myself. I like the new ones. Dorks don't like them. Dorks don't like the new Gixxer. Everyone else who's not a dork likes the Gixxers. Well, here's the Duck. Here is the Duck. The Duck right here. Looking good, huh? Yes. All right. I will be back with you guys in a few minutes. Dude, good to see you, man.
Likewise, man.
Okay, see you soon. Be safe. Take care of that Gixxer for me. Okay, there's a duck. We're getting ready to roll. There's Rob right over there. He's scaring people with that frickin' siren. I thought the popo was here. So we're going to head back to the goat cave, but me and Rob are going to ride together for a little bit. There we go. That's the bike that I rode on MP to Recon's Memorial Ride out in the Twisties. We're going to go out there again soon, but I'm going to have the duck next time. Rob will be on his amazing S1K that he loaned to me, and I will be on this amazing V4S. I like that turn. It's a good one. Oh, the Ninja 400. There he is. The S1K with the brightest taillights ever. Popo back there. They hit their brakes when we go by. So many cars do that. Human beings are like, when scared, hit brake. That's the only thing they know how to do. Just hit the brake. Ah! Gotta hit the brake. Hit the brake. The brake will save me. When in doubt, hit the brake. Popo back there. right here. Very hard to see. The oncoming traffic. Another bike there. Two bikes. One with no light. Oh, it's very dim. Another cop. Take care, buddy. Be safe.